Well, tonight, the News 6 investigators are asking the state why it cut Orange County off from critical COVID-19 information. The State Department of Health revoked Orange County's access yesterday after the county released heat maps showing vaccine distributions by zip code. The maps are several weeks old and show lower income neighborhoods like Pine Hills have had fewer vaccines than higher income neighborhoods like Winter Park.
We have access or not. The residents of Orange County are not going to be harmed by that because we still have access to other data.
The News 6 investigators are working to get some answers from the state now. Tonight, an Orange County commissioner says she needs that data so she can lead her community out of the pandemic. News 6's Troy Campbell is at Cypress Grove Park in Holden Heights with reaction. Troy.
According to the data from the state, here in the 32839 zip code, it has one of the lower vaccination rates than other areas of the county. Commissioner Mayra Uribe says that she's long predicted this area to be underserved, but without state data, she had to rely on grassroots surveys on the ground.
I want to know what communities haven't been vaccinated.
Orange County District 3 Commissioner Mayra Uribe says prior to state vaccination numbers by zip code being made public in Orange County on Wednesday, she says she's had no other access to the data.
I think that if the state knows who they vaccinated, they should share that with us so we can focus in the areas where we're missing, where we're low.
After releasing the data, Orange County has been cut off from accessing the state's vaccination information by the Florida Department of Health. Were you indifferent about it?
At first I was, but eventually I said, yes, I want to get back to the whatever is normal for us nowadays.
Alethea Scott lives in the 32839 zip code, where vaccination numbers are lower compared to other areas of the county. She said she tells her younger family members to get vaccinated, but says they appear to be hesitant.
Whenever I say that to them, they said, okay, but I think it's just to get me off their case, so because they don't try to get to it or do it, so I think it's just hesitancy.
Commissioner Uribe also says at this point, it does appear that anyone in her district who wants a vaccine does have access to it. So she says receiving this data from the state is extremely critical in order to identify the zip codes to better address vaccine hesitancy. In Orange County, Troy Campbell getting results, News 6.